Okay. Let's get it going. Game, no. Stream friendly music? Sure. That's loud. There we go. Alright. Let's get going. Back for another hour. Let's get Gloom up and running. So, I need to do some stuff. Where did I put my game documents? Okay, so first I need to make a shortcut to my actual... Here we go. So I'm gonna make a shortcut to here. Oh, there is a shortcut to there. Okay, so here's my shortcut. Unity, projects, project mist. There's nothing in here. Image line. Ah. Okay, in that case, let me go to my documents here. Game in files, game documents, Gloom. Let's close this for a bit. I think this is what I want. I'm gonna make a link to this on my desktop and then open this up. Yeah. Okay, so this just helped me get my thoughts together. Today I need to make the intro scene. That's good. Okay, so right, okay, so let's do a main menu type thing. Okay, so let's pause. Let's keep track of these numbers. Sorry, I just can't see the numbers. I need to get a notepad. Body. That's not good. There we go. That's good. Now, this needs to come down slightly. Okay, so then we turn this off. Turn this on. Paste. Good. Paste. Good. See if that works. Okay, I'm happy with that. Okay. Script. Okay, hang on. Okay. Hmm. I'm trying to figure out what this is trying to say to me. How did it say? It says on the open the animation in the animation window, move the timeline to the last frame, and then add an event. Ah, gotcha. I gotcha. Okay, so this guy right here. It's right here, right? There you go. Okay. I'm gonna have to go figure out all these errors as well. Let me go back here. It's not exactly how I want it. Oh, wait. Don't destroy it. Can I remove this? And then turn this guy on. Oops. It's hard. Why does it do that? Does it move him back? I don't know. Oh, you know what? It might be in the animation. Let me look. Like his actual position is like a part of the animation. I think that might fix it. No, it's too far down. Yeah, that fixed it. I have to look at this stuff. Still too far down. That's it. Okay. Now, these reframe zones, they rely on the little guy being alive. Okay, so I'll have to rework those when I get to them, but let's work on the okay, everything works. What does the game see? I think it's this. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hang on. God, what does my hair look like that? Jesus, man. Come on, kid. Yeah, whatever, dude. My hair is long right now, so it's kind of unruly. Whatever. I don't know if I like the way this opening scene looks. I think I would rather have it be like this and then come back. So I think I'm gonna put everything onto my guy. Camera game object. What is this? Is that anything? Okay. So let's go ahead and make a main menu UI. Exactly sure how to get this to be what I want it to be. How do I get the camera? How do I show the camera widget? There we go. I don't want it to look at the kid. Oh. Oh, I died. Okay. So what we're gonna do, we're going to turn this on. And then have my guy here in the start, void start. We'll have this real player set active equal to false, like that. I know. Sorry. There you go. It's grabbing, the script is grabbing, you can't tell it which version to grab a hold of, so it's grabbing a hold of the one that I deleted. Oh, fuck. Animation arm sprites. Tag. I still got the double jump going on. I'll have to fix that. I'll have to do something like, I'll. Okay, let's do something with GIMP. Oh, god damn it. Why does this happen? Dude, stop it. For the love of God. This is a very annoying thing to make. Okay, fuck it. Let's see. File. Save. Vignette. I don't know how to spell vignette. Vignette. File. Export as. Vignette. I don't know if that's the right word. How to spell it? Export it. Go back to my game. Come here. Go here. Desktop. Project. Sprites. Scripts. Sprites. Scripts. Assets. Environments. Amanimi. Vignette. Awesome. Vignette on the virtual camera. Not correct. Vignette on the main camera. Vignette. I forget how I did this. I don't know how to tell if my vignette is big enough. This is kind of hard to tell. Oh, there she is. Okay. This means my vignette is not in the order. How do I get her to show up again? What is everything in the foreground called? It's on the sorting layer ground. It's in the default. How do I get it to show up again? Hang on, I gotta use the restroom, everybody. I'll be right back. Let's take a break. Oh, hello. Sorry, I did not realize somebody had joined. My bad. No one here. No. It's just me working. Took a long break from streaming for a bit, so probably my regulars aren't around for... They won't be around for a while. Dang, why can't I get this sprite to show up? Sorry, I don't usually watch chat, especially since I don't expect anybody to be here anyways. Let's get this sprite to show up. So it's definitely here. It shows up in the scene view, but it's not showing up. Maybe if I stick it with the virtual camera, it'll go and it'll come. I don't think that it's behind everything. Maybe if I mess with it here, it'll show up. If I put it on the player layer, I probably need to make a sorting layer for UI. Let's do that. And then put it above everything else. I mean, that's where it goes right there. I'll take this vignette and I'll put it into the UI layer. I don't think this is gonna work though. Yeah, something is going on. The virtual camera is excluding, or the camera itself is excluding. So here's my Cinemachine brain. Do not call UI, please. It's not exactly working. Wake my character up. And then let's test inversion. Inversion is working. This seems to be breaking. You can't start that. How do I get new objects to appear in the environment? Ah, I think I know what's going on. I need to do a canvas. So I need to make a new canvas, because this is going to be UI. UI. Canvas. We'll have a couple canvases. We'll call this, rename start menu. And then we'll add another canvas, call it the pause menu. I probably need to set up pausing. UI, canvas, pause, pause menu. And then I need to make a settings menu underneath this. Settings menu. I need to think of how I want to start the game, or how I want to like reset the game. Take this vignette and put it into the start menu. I'll also keep it in the pause menu. But we'll turn this off for now. Now if I play this, hopefully that'll work. Nope, did not work. So this is in the UI. This guy needs to be changed. I don't know. Let's look at my layers. So these are tags and layers. This is not what I want. Sorting layers. I mean, these are my sorting layers. This is just how things are, like, controlled in the background. I'm trying to remember how I did this, because I did something cool with parallaxing. It's parallaxing. I figured it out. Yeah, see? Yeah, I know what I did now. This is the only thing that's bugging me, though. I don't know how to get this to overlay. kind of sucks. How do I get it? Alright, time to ask. Excuse me. This is so weird that I can't get this to... I can't get this vignette to show up. Okay, let's add some extra stuff. Okay. There's the image. Oh no. Delete this, stop this. So we'll take this away, come back here, go to my project, environment. I put the vignette onto the image. That is not what I wanted at all. There we go. Delete that. This will be 1920 by 1080. And we'll take a look at this. Not good enough. We'll do this. We'll see if this works. Because this is inside the, this is bound to the box. There we go. That did it. Okay, so I don't know how I get it to 1920 by 1080 is my set. We'll keep this scaled like this. I want to scale it into the box itself. Rename to vignette. Okay, so now we have my vignette set up. We'll just make it a little bit bigger than the box itself. Hit play. So this vignette. Okay, so we're gonna do a couple things here. We're going to add a text, UI, text mesh pro. It's going to say Gloom. Rename to title. And then add another item. Text, audio, video, UI, text. Save and start. Press any button to start. Okay. We'll make both of these larger. I do not see anything, unfortunately. I don't see anything. I would like it to actually say something. What's wrong with it? One. I don't see Jack. I probably should choose a font. I don't seem to have any fonts. That's not good. My games usually have lots of fonts. I need a font. Oh, here we go. This is probably why I haven't gotten anything. Okay. I would like these to be centered. I'll bring this down. This doesn't seem to be working because... this is... What in the world? Why would you mention me in your story? Okay. Dummy. Idiot. That guy sucks. A friend of mine posted a story. Okay. Let's get these bigger. I don't understand why this one is not showing up now. Probably because I have this? No? This? Come on, man. ¿Por qué? Why is this bad? Why? Where's my text? Okay, screw it. You know what I'll do? I'll just copy this. Alright. There you go. That's so annoying. Okay. So now what I should see... that kind of sucks. Okay. get this. Oh, let's rename this to start screen instructions. Ah, crap. Let's see if it did what I needed it to do. I'll remove this. Add these. I guess edit this. Crap. Start screen instructions. Call it start screen instructions. Save that. Come back here, see it if it changes. Hopefully it will. Instructions. Start screen instructions. Okay. Then we'll do this. Okay, we'll run this and see if it works. We have to start this off gone and run it. Wonder how long it's gonna wait for. Let's look at this. Is this all? Okay, that means I didn't save it. Really now? I'm not exactly sure what it's trying to do. Okay, I know what it did. Okay, it's fine. Let's see, what am I at? I'm at 54. Okay, so I'm going to get this script working properly. So basically what happens is the fade and pulse. The pulse is doing the transform local scale when I want it to be doing the color. So this is ensure final alpha. This is not what I want it to do. Set initial to invisible. This is fine, I think. I want it to go a lot slower than that. Okay, so start. This is fine. To color, local scale, transform. The temp text color will make it invisible and then start the coroutine. So basically what it does is it looks for wait for, so it delays before fade, and then fade duration, how long it takes to get, you know, all the way. And then this original color R, it goes from 0 to original color. Alpha. And then this is while true. So I need this to go back and forth instead of It's a sine wave. Okay, this will be fine, actually. So instead we do this. While true temp text color equals blank, and I'll put the pulse here. So I'll take this, copy, and I will pulse here. Let's try that. Okay. Is this in, what is this in? 100s. Okay, so let's put 100 here. Let's see what that does. It probably needs to be 50. Huh. Da, 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 da. And I'll be able to tell what number to multiply it by. So I need to multiply this by 100 times 100, and I need to add it up to shift it 50. I think that's right. So it goes to -50, and then it goes up to 150. -50 to 150. What is the middle? What the hell? Hang on. I don't need another paint. I need a calculator. That's 200. What's 2 times this? So it's 50. And then I went up by 50. And so it's going 100 in the minus, which is -50, and then 100 in the plus. Okay, I got it. I think this will do it. Okay, I don't think that's actually doing it. So is it to 1? What the heck? Good Lord, let me let me open what I want to open. We're gonna do times 0.5f and then add 1. Let's add 1.2 to keep it off the floor. F. Ah! Go away. Go away, you. Good Lord. Right. Oh my gosh. My hair is so messy. Oh, frig. That didn't work either. I don't know, man. 0.5f plus. I'm failing to see my math here, unfortunately. Kind of stinks. Okay. I know that the sine wave goes back and forth. I'm just failing to see how it... This is what I wanted. Okay, great. Now I just need to recreate this script for the title. Right? Okay. And then... So the idea is that I'll press the button and wake my little guy up, or like it'll make this go away, my guy will wake up, and then the game will start. Okay, I need to also make custom text. So I'll probably need to change this from Text Mesh Pro into a sprite, because I'll make my custom sprites for the title and for the text. I'll make my own font. Maybe if I make my own font, I don't have to do all that. Alright. Maybe. So I need to now edit the wake up script to care about the start menu, because I want these things to fade away. So we'll do start menu, we'll do a component here called start menu. I need to move on to my next stream, but I'll just do this really quick. So we'll do game object. Private game I'll do start game. It'll be a function. Game started. Private bool game started equals false. Now we'll do okay. I don't know what I want to do here. Public Okay, hang on. Public game object title and public game object instructions, and then the game we'll do on start, or no, public void start game, and then we'll do title start game. No, this will have to be a script. So what does this have? This has a script on it, right? Start fade and pulse TMP. That's not correct. Edit script. This is not what I wanted this to be. Start menu. Start menu instructions. I'll write something here. Edit this. Right. Add component. Start menu title. So the start menu title and the start menu blah 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 will have functions. So I'll come back here. Start menu instructions, the start menu. This will be a start menu title. Start menu title. And a start menu instructions. Start menu instructions. And then we'll do, they'll need start game, and then I'll do public time to it'll be a float time to fade in equals 5f, and so each one of these will have like time to fade in, and then instructions will also have a start game, and it'll include the time to fade in. The game started, I don't think I will do that. So it'll be like if I press the button, it'll do start game, and then I'll do an enum. Destroy this game object after certain time. Okay, alright, that's it for today. That'll be an hour. Yeah, alright, that's an hour. Hope you guys have a good day. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye.